Hello dear students of class 11. My dear student, this is video number 3 of your topic sets. Dear students, I hope that you have done all the problems which are related to the video number 1 and video number 2. In this video, I am going to explain some important results on the number of elements in sets. Please keep in mind these two results. Cardinal number of A union B can be written as cardinal number of A plus cardinal number of B minus cardinal number of A intersection B. And cardinal number of A union B union C can be written as cardinal number of A plus cardinal number of B plus cardinal number of C minus cardinal number of A intersection B minus cardinal number of B intersection C minus cardinal number of C intersection A, and in last plus cardinal number of A intersection B intersection C. My dear student, today we will discuss all the problems which are based on these two applications. Okay, my dear students, you have to learn these two formulas. No need to learn other formulas because we can create other formulas by ourselves with the help of these two formulas. Now see the application of these two formulas. See, question number first. In a group of 800 people, 550 can speak Hindi. There is a group of 800 people in which 550 can speak Hindi, 450 can speak English. How many can speak both Hindi and English? My dear students, in the previous videos, we have already studied intersection. You know that this is, if this is set A, this is set B, then this portion is said to be A intersection B. Means this is the portion lies in between A and B both. Here you can see solution of question number first. 550 can speak Hindi, means cardinal number of Hindi is 550. 450 can speak English, means cardinal number of English is what? 450. Means 550 people can speak Hindi, 450 can speak English, and total is what? Group consists how many people? 800. And group means if this is English, this is Hindi, then total number of persons who speaks both languages is the union of English and Hindi. So, cardinal number of Hindi union English is what? 800. Okay. Now, question is what? How many can speak both? Both means intersection. Always remember that. Both means intersection. Cardinal number of Hindi intersection English is what? Now my dear students, we have just discussed that cardinal number of Hindi union English can be written as cardinal number of Hindi plus cardinal number of English minus cardinal number of Hindi intersection English. Okay. Now union is what? 800. Cardinal number of Hindi is 550. Cardinal number of English is 450. And these are the people who can speak both. Intersection means both. So you can see here 800, 550, 600, 1000 minus cardinal number of Hindi intersection English. This implies that cardinal number of Hindi intersection English is what? 200. So my dear students, 200 people can speak both languages. Okay? I hope you understood well. Now see the next problem. Next problem is what? In a class of 35 students, means total number of students 35, 24 like to play cricket, 16 like to play football. Okay. These are the total number of students. 35 total students in the class. 24 like to play cricket. 16 like to play football. Also, each student likes to play at least one of the two games. This line is very important. Please be concentrate and try to understand this line. Each student likes to play at least one of the two games. यानी हर स्टूडेंट कोई ना कोई गेम खेल रहा है. Means all the 35 students play at least one of the two games. Means try to understand with the help of Venn diagram. Games are cricket and football. If this is cricket and this is football, means each student plays at least one of the two games. Means cricket and football हर बच्चा कोई ना कोई गेम खेल रहा है, तो सारे के सारे बच्चे यानी 35 स्टूडेंट्स पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं. That's why cricket union F. Solution number 2. Cardinal number of cricket union football is what 35. See, 24 like to play cricket. Cardinal number of cricket is 24. 16 like to play football. 16 like to play, football. How many students like to play both? Both means this one portion. How many students likes to play both games? Means cricket and football. Means intersection. We have to find out the value of cricket intersection football. By using the formula, we know that we have already discussed cardinal number of cricket union football is equal to cardinal number of cricket plus cardinal number of football minus cardinal number of cricket intersection football. Union is what? 35. Number of students who are participating in cricket is 24. Number of students who play football is 16, and this is the cardinal number of those students who play both the games. So now see 35, and this is what 24, 6, 30, 40 minus cardinal number of C intersection F implies that cardinal number of C intersection F is what? 5. So my dear student, this implies what? This implies that 5 students like to play both games. Now let us see next problem. Next problem. See the next problem. Question number 3. In a group of 50 people, total number of people in a group is 50. 35 speak Hindi. Okay. 35 speak Hindi. Means cardinal number of Hindi is 35. 35 speak Hindi. 25 speak both Hindi and English. So intersection of Hindi and English is what? 25 speak both. So this is 25 intersection. 25 speak both Hindi and English, and all the people speak at least one of the two languages. यानी 50 people जो हैं, सभी के सभी जो 50 persons हैं वो कोई ना कोई एक लैंग्वेज बोल रहे हैं. यानी अगर if we try to understand with the help of Venn diagram, this is English, this is Hindi, all 50 people speak at least one of the two languages. यानी 50 के 50 किस में आ रहे हैं? यूनियन में. तो कार्डिनल नंबर ऑफ हिंदी यूनियन इंग्लिश is what? 50. Now see the question. How many people speak only English? Only English. See, you can understand well this line with the help of Venn diagram. This is English, this is Hindi. English, Hindi. Only English, only English. This portion. Only English, not Hindi. And second question is what? How many people speak English? Second question is what? How many people speak English? English कहाँ तक आ जाएगा? ये पूरा आ जाएगा. English में ये पूरा आ जाएगा. ये. तो first to solve this problem we find how many students can speak English. Now by using the formula cardinal number of Hindi union English is equal to cardinal number of Hindi plus cardinal number of English minus cardinal number of Hindi intersection English. Union is what? 50. Hindi 35. English not known. Common 25. This is 10, 40. Means 40 students can speak English. This implies that 40 students can speak English. Now the next question is what? How many students can speak only Hindi? My dear students, we have already discussed in video number 2 the meaning of A minus B. A minus B means what? Only the elements which belongs to A. Which belongs to A. तो which belongs to A कहाँ तक आएगा? ये यहाँ तक आएगा. We can't enter in this portion when we are discussing about A minus B. A minus B means only the elements which belongs to set A. Now we use this concept. I have already told you, no need to learn formulas. We have to learn only those two formulas which I have already discussed in the beginning of this video. Rest of the formulas we can create. See here. Cardinal number of English minus Hindi. This means what? Only the students who can speak English. Only English. Now only English means, see, if this is English, English is what? ये पूरा है. But this is English. But only English is what? Only English में ये वाला पोर्शन नहीं होगा. तो मीन्स कार्डिनल नंबर ऑफ इंग्लिश पूरे में से कौन सा पोर्शन नहीं होना चाहिए? कॉमन पोर्शन माइनस कार्डिनल नंबर ऑफ हिंदी इंटरसेक्शन इंग्लिश. ओके, नाउ कार्डिनल नंबर ऑफ इंग्लिश इज व्हाट? वी हैव ऑलरेडी डन 40. कॉमन इज व्हाट? कॉमन इज व्हाट? 25. तो दिस इज व्हाट? 15. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, 15 students can speak only English. I hope you understood well. Now, see the next problem. Next problem is what? A and B are two sets containing 3 and 6 elements. Means, try to understand solution here. Solution number 4. Cardinal number of A is what? 3. And the cardinal number of B is what? 6. Means number of elements present in set A is 3. Number of elements present in set B is 6. What can be minimum number of elements in A union B? This is very important question. What can be the minimum number of elements in A union B? First question. And the second question is what? Find maximum number of elements in A union B. Means there are two questions here. How many elements? Minimum or maximum? A यूनियन B में मिनिमम कितने एलिमेंट्स हो सकते हैं? अगर ये कंडीशन है कि A में 3 एलिमेंट्स हैं, B में 6 हैं, और मैक्सिमम कितने हो सकते हैं? My dear students, we know that cardinal number of A union B is equal to what? Cardinal number of A plus cardinal number of B minus cardinal number of A intersection B. With the help of this formula, my dear student, you can easily understand that maximum or minimum number depends on what? Intersection. जितने ज्यादा कॉमन नंबर होंगे उतनी कम वैल्यू होगी कार्डिनल नंबर ऑफ ए यूनियन बी की, और जितना कम इंटरसेक्शन होगा उतना ज्यादा वैल्यू होगी कार्डिनल नंबर ऑफ ए यूनियन बी की. In case when the cardinal number of A intersection B is maximum, then cardinal number of A union B is minimum. And when the cardinal number of A intersection B is minimum, then this is maximum. So, case first. See, if set A consists 3 elements and set B consists 6 elements, then what is the maximum number of A intersection B? What is the maximum number of A intersection B? Maximum number of A intersection B is 3. You can write here. In this case, maximum number of A intersection B is 3. So, minimum number of elements कितने हो सकते हैं? 3 plus 6 9 minus 3 is 6. Okay. Case second. If, my dear students, cardinal number of A intersection B is minimum, only in that condition cardinal number of A union B is maximum. So, minimum number of A intersection B is what? 0. So, the maximum number of elements in cardinal number of A union B is what? 3 plus 6, 9 minus 0, that is 9. I hope you understood that. Now, I am going to take next problem. Now, see question number 5. In a survey of 700 students in a college, 180 drink Limca, 275 Mirinda and Coke, and 95 Coke. Okay. Find how many students were drinking neither Limca nor Mirinda. See, this is the new concept. First, in a survey of 700 students in a college, 180 drink Limca, means cardinal number of Limca is 180, 275 Mirinda, okay, $95 both, Limca intersection Mirinda, 95. Now the question is what? See, question is how many students were drinking neither Limca nor Mirinda. Means 700 को आप लिम्का यूनियन मिरिंडा में काउंट नहीं कर सकते, क्योंकि try to understand, if this is Limca, this is Mirinda, and this is the universal set. Some students are there who neither drink Limca nor Mirinda, जो ना लिम्का पी रहे हैं ना मिरिंडा पी रहे हैं, तो जा कहाँ रहे हैं? वो इस सेक्शन में आएंगे. समझ रहे? That's why you can't say that 700 is the union of L and M. Here 700 is the universal set. Means total number of students जिनका सर्वे हुआ वो 700 है, not the union. So the students will neither drink Limca, means L complement, intersection M complement. We use this symbol for neither nor. You can understand? Complement. I have already told you in video number 2 the meaning of complement. So these are the students who neither drink Limca nor Mirinda. तो अब आप एक मेरी बात फिर से समझिए. No need to learn the formula. Only you have to know how we have to express neither and nor. So we will express neither nor in this way. Neither Limca means complement of Limca, neither Mirinda means complement of Mirinda, and use the sign Limca or intersection. Now see, we can create the formula ourselves. अपने आप बना सकते हैं formula. देखिए, this is universal, this is Limca, this is Mirinda. Neither Limca nor Mirinda means ये पोर्शन हटा दीजिए तो बचा कौन सा? ये पोर्शन. अब ये पोर्शन कौन सा है? ये पोर्शन हुआ कार्डिनल नंबर ऑफ Limca यूनियन Mirinda कॉम्प्लीमेंट. means limca. See, what is the union of limca and Mirinda? This is the union of limca and Mirinda, and this is universal set. But here we need neither limca nor Mirinda, means neither limca nor Mirinda ये चाहिए ही नहीं. तो चाहिए कौन सा पोर्शन? ये वाला पोर्शन. ये पोर्शन क्या है? लिम्का और मिरिंडा के यूनियन का कॉम्प्लीमेंट. We have already discussed the meaning of complement. So you can understand neither limca nor mirinda means cardinal number of air union and complement. इसके कॉम्प्लीमेंट का अर्थ क्या है कि पूरे यूनिवर्सल में से ये पोर्शन सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दीजिए, माइनस कार्डिनल नंबर ऑफ लिम्का यूनियन मिरिंडा. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट प्रॉब्लम एंड ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द कंसेप्ट. Now see, U is what? 700 universal minus cardinal number of limca union mirinda. Cardinal number of limca plus cardinal number of mirinda minus cardinal number of limca intersection mirinda. This is what? 700 minus cardinal number of limca 180. Cardinal number of mirinda 275 minus cardinal number of limca intersection 95. Now see, 180 275 5 455. Okay, 455 minus 95 360. 700 minus 360. 700 minus 360. 0. 10 minus 6 is 4. 6 minus 3 is 3. So this is 340. So 340 people neither drink limca nor mirinda. I am going to tell you the answer. Yes, correct answer. Okay. I hope you understand well. Now I am going to take next problem. See the next one. There are 200 individuals with a skin disorder. Okay, 120 has been exposed to chemical C1, 50 to chemical C2, 30 to both. Find the number of individuals exposed to. Now, just listen carefully. There are 200 individuals. 200 individual हैं, उनमें से 120 has been exposed to chemical C1. See the solution. 120 has been exposed to chemical C1. 50 to chemical C2. 50 to chemical number 2. And 30 to both. Both means intersection. C1 intersection C2. This is what? 30. Now see, find the number of individuals exposed to chemical C1 or लगा है union निकालना, because we have already studied about the definition of union. So or means union. Number 1, cardinal number of C1 union C2. This is what? Cardinal number of C1 plus cardinal number of C2 minus cardinal number of C1 intersection C2, that is 30. 120, 50, 170, 140. This is the required answer of first part. See next. Chemical C1 but not C2. Chemical C1, see, but not C2. Chemical C1 but not C2 means only this portion. Chemical C1 but not C2 means only this portion. This is what? Cardinal number of C1 minus what? This one, this intersection portion, minus cardinal number of C1 intersection C2. Cardinal number of C1 is what? 120 minus common is what? 30, which is what? 90. Third part. chemical C2 but not C1. So this is what? Chemical C2 but not C1. Now see once again, you can understand well with the help of Venn diagram. C1, C2. We need C2 not C1. Means C2 only. Only C2 means ये common portion हटेगा. तो this is what C2 में से subtract कर दीजिए common portion. C2 is what? 50. Common portion is what? 30. This is what? 20. Okay? I hope you understand that. Now, I am going to explain the last problem of this video. See, there are 40 students in chemistry class. There are 40 students in chemistry class. Okay. 60 students in physics class. 60 students in physics class. Okay. Find the number of students which are either in physics class or, फिर से क्या लगा हुआ है, और यूनियन का खेल है, chemistry class in the following cases. Now see, we have to find the union of chemistry and physics, because here it is given find the number of students which are either in physics class or chemistry, और देखते ही दिमाग काम करता है, यूनियन से रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम है. So case first, cardinal number of chemistry union physics. We have to find union in the following cases. First case is what? The two classes meet at the same hour. That when two classes meet at the same hour, का क्या meaning है? Physics class अलग चल रहा है और chemistry class अलग चल रहा है at the same time. तो यहाँ से you can understand no common student between the chemistry class and the physics class in this situation. When both the classes meet at the same hour, means chemistry intersection physics is equal to 0 in this situation. Therefore, cardinal number of chemistry union physics is what? Cardinal number of C plus cardinal number of physics only. Because when the two classes meet at the same hour, then intersection is 0. 40 plus 60, which is equal to 100. See the second part. The two classes meet at different hours. Chemistry class अलग चलेगी, physics की class अलग चलेगी, अलग-अलग टाइमिंग है, 10 to 11 है, 11 to 12 लेट कर लीजिए. अब उसमें बताया अलग-अलग में कॉमन स्टूडेंट भी हो सकते हैं. एट द टाइम ऑफ फिजिक्स क्लास वो कॉमन स्टूडेंट फिजिक्स में चले जाएंगे, एट द टाइम ऑफ केमिस्ट्री क्लास केमिस्ट्री क्लास में चले जाएंगे. Now you can see how many students are common. It is already given 20 students are common in both the classes. So cardinal number of chemistry union physics is what? Cardinal number of chemistry plus cardinal number of physics and the common students in between both the classes chemistry and physics. Chemistry 40, physics 60 and the common students 20. So the required answer is 80. Now my dear students, I hope you understand well all the problems which I have discussed today in this video. Now my dear student, next video will be uploaded soon, and the problems, the unsolved problems, I will send you on your personal WhatsApp number, on the Google Class and on the Google Classroom, and solve the unsolved problems which are related to the concepts which I have taught you today. And if you face any problem, then you can ask me personally. Thank you very much.